Welcome to Benjin TV, and today we want to talk about something that most times we don't pay attention to, but is really, really very important, and that is about empowerment. This time around, we have different kinds of empowerment coming up from politicians, from community leaders, from individuals, philanthropists, and all that. But one vital thing we should have at the back of our mind at all time is anybody you want to empower, understand the quality, the kind of person you are empowering. Yes, it's very important because sometimes we empower wrong people in the society, in the community, and they become a problem to the society, to that community. There are people that, like for instance, today we have most of the terrorist organizations we have, they were that way because they were empowered. If they were not empowered, they wouldn't be as deadly as they are. And likewise, there are people that in our communities, the moment you empower this kind of people, they will wreak more havoc on the community. They will cause more problems because those resources you'll be pushing to them, instead of them using it for the better of the society, they will now be using it for a further destruction of that community. There are people that once they get resources, instead of them using it for something that will benefit other people, they will be using it to intimidate other people. They'll be using it to cause more problem in the society. So it's good to empower people. It's good to be into all forms of empowerment. But then it is more important to understand the quality of the individuals, of the humans that we are empowering, that we are giving more power. Because if we empower the wrong people, they will cause more problem. And that problem is what we don't need in our society. Thank you very much. This is still Benjin TV, your number one online television. Remember to subscribe to our channels, follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, and on all social media platforms. Benjin TV. Thank you.